This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by creating the vault and setting a strong master password. This is the single key to everything, so take it seriously. Once done, enable biometric unlock for quick access and set up cloud sync so your entries survive device loss. Make sure to write a recovery phrase and store it offline. You do this now to prevent future lockouts and to streamline daily use. Security and convenience are balanced by these initial choices. Next, add entries and organize them so you can find credentials instantly. You can import a CSV or add items one by one. Once entries exist, create folders and tags to mirror how you think about accounts and mark frequent logins as favorites. Make use of custom fields such as URL, notes, and OTP to centralize details. Also, set expiration reminders for credentials you must rotate. This reduces risk and keeps your vault tidy as it grows. Finally, use the autofill feature to save time, but review app permissions before enabling autofill on shared devices. Once you're using the vault, schedule periodic reviews and rotate critical passwords. Only Ways security reports help you spot weak or reused credentials. If something goes wrong, first try biometric or device-level unlocks. If those fail, restore from the cloud backup or your offline recovery phrase. This final step completes the workflow and gives you one reliable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.